So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add a calendar in Google Sheets. Firstly, open Google Sheets. Open a new sheet by going to Google Sheets or type in sheets.new in Chrome. Now, to open the template gallery, click File. Then New, then from Template Gallery. To choose a calendar template, find and select Annual Calendar. Google Sheets will load the ready-made calendar file. You'll see a full year calendar plus separate monthly sheets at the bottom. There is also customization sheets you can delete if not needed. Just go to the year sheet and click on the year text. Find the formula, and to change it to a specific year, replace it with a date like year, month, day. Then press enter and the calendar will update. And if you want to change the theme, just click Format, Theme, then choose a style you like from the right panel. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.